Good morning. Today you and I are going to explore something truly exciting and for many a dream, the prospect of winning the lottery. Imagine what it would be like to suddenly have millions in your bank account overnight. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? But while the allure of quick money is undeniable, it's crucial to approach lottery dreams with a blend of hope and realism. In this video, we'll look into what it really means to play the lottery, the odds of winning, and how to approach this game of chance with a rational mindset. So let's get started and set the stage for a balanced view on one of the world's most popular forms of gambling. When it comes to the lottery, the odds are famously slim. For instance, the odds of winning games like Powerball or Mega Millions can be as staggering as one in several hundred million. Despite these odds, lottery tickets continue to be bought by millions of people around the world each week. Why? Because the lottery isn't just a game of chance, it's a purchase of hope. Most people are aware that their chances of winning are minuscule, yet hope is a powerful motivator, especially when the potential reward is life-changing. It's important, however, to keep this hope in check with reality. Think of it this way: playing the lottery should be more like buying a movie ticket than a financial investment. You pay for the thrill, the fun, or even the brief escape of imagining what if, rather than for any expected return on your money. Now let's address a common misconception that you can somehow improve your odds of winning through various strategies. Some players use lucky numbers like birth dates, while others might opt for random selections, believing it increases their chances. The truth is, each number has an equal probability of being drawn, regardless of how it is picked or how often it has appeared in past drawings. No strategy can truly increase your odds of winning the jackpot. This is crucial to understand so you do not spend more than you can afford or get misled by systems that promise to crack the lottery code. What drives millions to purchase lottery tickets each week, even with odds so heavily stacked against them? It often boils down to a mixture of hope and desperation. Hope, because the possibility of turning one's financial situation around overnight can feel exhilarating. Desperation, because sometimes those who are struggling financially see the lottery as a last resort to solve their money troubles. The allure of the lottery is not just about the money, it's also about the escape it offers. For the duration of time between buying a ticket and the drawing, players can indulge in daydreams of wealth, imagining a life free from financial worry. This psychological effect can be a form of relief for many, a brief escape from daily stresses. However, it's important to acknowledge that these feelings can become a double-edged sword. While the dream of winning can provide temporary happiness, the more frequent reality of losing can lead to disappointment and, for some, worsening financial situations due to repeated unaffordable ticket purchases. In the quest to win, many lottery players employ various strategies. Some of these are based on superstitions or common myths. Let's explore a few. Number frequency strategy. Some players analyze past lottery results to choose numbers they believe are due to appear. They track hot numbers that have been drawn frequently in recent games or cold numbers that have not shown up for a while. Lucky numbers. Many people use significant dates like birthdays or anniversaries as their lottery numbers. This strategy makes the game more personal, but it doesn't increase the likelihood of winning. Since lottery numbers go beyond the calendar dates of 1 to 31, this strategy often neglects higher numbers, potentially reducing the chance of having a unique ticket if those numbers do win. Lottery syndicates, joining forces with others, players buy tickets as a group by pooling their money. This increases the number of tickets they can buy, and thus their odds of winning. But remember, it also means that any prize must be split among all members of the syndicate. Random selection. Some argue that letting a computer generate your lottery numbers randomly is the best strategy. This approach is as good as any, considering that lottery numbers are designed to be drawn without any predictable pattern. But it's crucial to debunk a key myth here. No strategy can guarantee a win in the lottery. The draws are random, and no pattern or system can change the inherent odds of the game. Each ticket holds an equal chance, and the only true way to increase your odds is by buying more tickets, which also increases the amount you are likely to lose. A positive mindset is frequently celebrated as a key to success in many areas of life, and the lottery is no exception. Many enthusiasts believe that a positive attitude can somehow influence their luck. While optimism is undoubtedly beneficial for general well-being, it's important to understand its limitations in affecting the random outcomes of a lottery draw. Visualization is one technique often cited by lottery players. They imagine themselves winning, which can be a powerful motivational tool. This practice involves picturing oneself enjoying future successes, which for some includes winning the lottery. It's used not just to foster a positive outlook, but also to mentally prepare one for success. However, while visualization can enhance motivation and promote a positive mental state, it does not influence the probability of lottery numbers. Maintaining a balanced perspective is essential. A positive mindset should be about maintaining emotional balance and resilience, not unrealistic expectations. The real benefit lies in the enjoyment and excitement of the game, coupled with the comfort of knowing that, win or lose, you have a healthy perspective on its place in your life. Now let's talk about the financial aspects of playing the lottery. It's crucial to approach lottery spending with a clear financial plan. Responsible play means setting aside a budget for lottery tickets that doesn't interfere with your ability to fund essential needs or your financial goals. And consider this: rather than looking at lottery tickets as a potential investment, view them as small discretionary expenses, similar to spending on any other form of entertainment. Allocate a specific amount that you can afford to lose, because statistically, the chances of losing are greater than those of winning. For those who dream of winning big, it's also wise to plan for that scenario. How will you manage a large sum of money? Here's where financial planning truly comes into play. If you ever find yourself holding a winning ticket, having a plan can help navigate the unexpected waters of newfound wealth. Consulting with a financial advisor, setting up a trust, and understanding tax implications are all prudent steps that should be part of this plan. Imagine the moment you realize you've won the lottery. It's a scenario many dream about, but few are prepared for. The first step is crucial and often overlooked: secure your ticket. This piece of paper is now worth potentially millions, so it's essential to handle it with care. Sign the back of the ticket to establish ownership, store it in a safe place, and consider taking a photo or making copies as backups. The next immediate action is to maintain privacy. While it might be tempting to share your excitement with the world, it's wise to keep the news within a very close circle. The sudden influx of attention can be overwhelming and not always welcome. Many lotteries allow winners to claim their prize anonymously, and it's worth exploring whether this is an option in your area. Seeking professional help is not just advisable, it's imperative. Before even claiming the prize, consulting with legal and financial advisors can provide a roadmap for the journey ahead. They can assist with crucial decisions about lump sum versus annuity options, investment strategies, and tax planning. This professional guidance ensures that your winnings are protected and managed wisely. Winning the lottery can transform your life overnight, but not always in the ways you might expect. It's important to consider the potential changes to your lifestyle and relationships. Sudden wealth can bring incredible opportunities as well as significant challenges. Managing these changes effectively requires thoughtful preparation and support. Financial management becomes a top priority. Beyond the initial excitement, the reality of managing vast amounts of money can be daunting. Winners must make decisions about investments, donations, and even how much to spend versus save. This financial stewardship will dictate the sustainability of your wealth for years to come. On a personal level, relationships might feel the strain or undergo shifts due to your new financial status. It's important to navigate these personal dynamics carefully. Some winners choose to set up structured ways to help family and friends, such as through educational trusts or one-time gifts rather than ongoing handouts, which can lead to dependency or resentment. The dream of quick riches is enticing, but the reality is that most wealth is built slowly and steadily. Instead of relying on the slim chances of winning the lottery, consider other methods of accumulating wealth that offer greater control and predictability. Investments. One of the most effective ways to build wealth over time is through investing. Whether it's in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, investing allows your money to grow through the power of compound interest. It's important to start as early as possible and to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Savings, regular savings, even in small amounts, can accumulate over time. High-interest savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and bonds are all conservative ways to grow your savings. Setting aside a fixed percentage of your income each month into a savings account can create a financial buffer and help you build capital for future investments. Education and skill development. Investing in your education and skills can have a tremendous return on investment. Higher education or specialized training can lead to better job opportunities, higher salaries, and greater career stability. Moreover, continuous learning and skill enhancement can open up new avenues for entrepreneurship or higher positions within your current career. Budgeting and financial planning. Effective financial management starts with a solid budget. Knowing where your money goes each month can help you cut unnecessary expenses and reallocate those funds towards savings and investments. Financial planning also involves setting short-term and long-term financial goals, creating a roadmap to achieve them, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial strategies. As we explore these alternatives, it's clear that building wealth is often a slow process that requires patience, discipline, and a proactive approach to financial management. Unlike the lottery, these methods provide a sense of security and growth based on your efforts and smart financial decisions. Consistency and patience. Wealth building is not about quick gains, but consistent growth. Regular contributions to your investments and savings, combined with the discipline to stick to your financial plan, are key to seeing your wealth increase over the years. Risk management. Understanding and managing risk is crucial in financial planning. Diversifying your investments can help mitigate risks and protect your wealth from market volatility. Setting realistic goals. Setting clear and achievable financial goals gives you something tangible to work towards. Whether it's buying a home, funding a child's education, or planning for retirement, having specific goals can motivate you to save and invest wisely. Building wealth is a journey that involves much more than the occasional lottery ticket. It's about making informed decisions, managing your money wisely, and planning for the future. By focusing on these reliable methods of wealth accumulation, you not only increase your financial security, but also gain peace of mind, knowing that you are on a sustainable path to financial independence. In our final part of this video, we will summarize the key points covered and emphasize the importance of adopting a balanced and informed approach to both playing the lottery and managing personal finances. Stay tuned as we wrap up our comprehensive guide to understanding the lottery and building lasting wealth. While we wrap up, it's essential to recognize that while the lottery can be a fun and exciting form of entertainment, it should not be viewed as a viable financial strategy. The real keys to financial success lie in the disciplined, long-term approaches we've outlined. Continue to educate yourself on financial matters. Knowledge is power, and understanding the basics of finance helps you make informed decisions. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, investing in your education, or planning for retirement, setting clear and realistic goals is crucial. These goals provide direction and motivation to maintain financial discipline. Regularly review and adjust your financial plans to stay on track. Life changes, and so should your financial strategies. Adapting to new circumstances while keeping your long-term goals in focus is vital for ongoing financial health. Remember that building wealth is a journey, and there will be ups and downs, but with a solid plan and a balanced approach, you can enjoy the process and achieve your financial objectives. Thank you for joining me in this deep dive into the world of the lottery and the pursuit of financial wisdom. I hope this discussion has been enlightening and empowering, providing you with the tools and knowledge to approach your financial future with confidence and clarity. Remember, whether it's the lottery or life's other gambles, the best approach is one of balance, education, and preparedness. Stay curious, stay informed, and above all, stay committed to your financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your experiences with the lottery, or what strategies have you found effective in building your wealth? Let's continue the conversation and support each other in our financial journeys.